to finish this work, because this is the connectivity to many states.
Senior Cabinet Minister and NPP leader Rakkam Sangma yesterday stated that any change in the job reservation policy may lead to very serious legal scrutiny in the eyes of the law. While referring to the Supreme Court's landmark 1992 judgment on the 50% reservation cap, the NPP leader said, let the expert committee suggest on what to be done, because if there is any such changes in the number of the reservation seat, it may create a great loss to the indigenous population.
Clear all this doubt, let the expert committee suggest and advise to us what is happening, right? So look, in view of the clear constitutional provision, in view of the clear Honorable Supreme Court judgment about ceiling of 50%, ceiling, right, for any state. Look, state, I think that any changes may have a serious legal